please make dot for me if you're watching this. You know, anything can go wrong, so make dot, lots of dot for me. I'm gonna miss everybody. Bye.
Oh no, don't leave us. Stay here.
Are you crying?
No, I'm not crying
She's
yet.
crying.
Shut up. Not yet.
No, we don't miss her. I want to see the crocodile tears.
By the way, doesn't she look stunning in the crisscross ivory? Doesn't Noor look stunning?
She does, doesn't she? Aww.
Oh
Okay.
my god, see you later, alligator.
This is the funny part.
Well, that's why I wanted to
Open it. This is so cute.
I'm gonna write something in there anyway.
You and I. Oh my god, I can't read this right now. I'm gonna just cry.
So Noor, question of the hour.
Yes.
Have you decided on a name yet?
No. I was waiting till I go on maternity leave to focus. Today's my last day, and then I go on maternity leave, and I'm really sad about it. But I just want to say bye to everybody.
Oh, this actually makes me really sad.
I know. Ahmed wants to see me cry so bad, but you know.
Just have the baby here. Just have the baby here.
It's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? It's sanitary over here. I can do that.
Fake tears, fake tears.
Any last words, Ahmed, be done before I leave?
It's been fun.
Uh-huh.
Don't break a leg. Inshallah,
Don't break a leg. That's the least thing I'm worried about.
and don't let the door hit you on the way out.
Okay.
And yeah, we'll see you when we'll see you.
Okay. I'm probably gonna get a.
He's so annoying. He's the worst.
Yeah.
He's
What the heck was that?
He's the worst. What's up, guys? Monday, start of a new week. We have a new person who started this week. Okay, the point of this get together and all this cake is to welcome our newest member, Mahmoud, to the team. Very exciting.
That was a great like dab bow situation.
Mahmoud is our new developer. He's amazing. We're so excited about him. And Ahmed gets another man on the team. Aren't you excited?
Another, or you mean just?
Well, including himself. So we officially have 2 men on the team. This is crazy. I missed the joke. Oh, and 2 black people. Yes. Yes.
Okay, the competition is whoever has the cleanest desk at the end of this week.
Completely unfair.
Sorry, hold on.
I have a question. That is not. That is
Says the hoarder.
unrealistic. Not fair. That cannot.
Hold on. But when I say cleanest desk, I mean consistently the cleanest desk every day of this week till the end of the week.
I have a question.
Wins. Yes. Go ahead.
Is it a matter of it being totally clear of all items, or is it a matter of it being beautifully organized?
The left.
The latter. You don't have to not have anything on your desk.
Yeah, you can have it clean and organized.
Wait, what are the prizes? A swell, and then what's the other thing?
And an Echo Dot.
an Amazon Echo Dot. This is not product placement.
What's up, guys? It is Tuesday. So you know how we're doing this whole competition about the cleanest desk. I've never seen the desk so clean. You guys have to take a look. First off, this desk, spotless. Alice, who was very messy last week, Erin herself, look at how clean her desk is. We should do this all the time. Also, you guys know our #1 offender, Giselle. Her desk is, I mean, for Giselle, this is pretty good. This is incredible. I feel like I might be the messiest one now.
This competition's not fair. I'm just not playing. It's not fair. Who wants that anyway?
What's up, you guys? It's Wednesday morning. I thought that I would show you guys my new and improved concealer routine this vlog. I am a concealer fiend, so I try every concealer out there. One thing I've added to my concealer routine that has changed the whole game, because even when I found an incredible concealer, I always have issues with creasing, because I need moisture underneath so that it's not dry, and then that moisture ultimately makes some creases. So I figured out the secret to no creases all day long. Like, I'll come home at 8 p.m. I put my makeup on, it is 8:30, usually it's earlier than that, and no creases. So a 12-hour day, no creases. I'll show you how. I start with a primer. This is just a sample I got from Sephora. It's Cover FX. They're mattifying primer with anti-acne treatment. You can use any primer that you like. I just want to make sure that they're not like super oily and mattifying like this one. So I'm just gonna put a little bit underneath my eyes, and I've already done my skincare routine, so I have on eye cream. So make sure you start with eye cream and whatever else, you know, you do for your skin. So while that's drying, what I typically do is I actually do my brows in the meantime. So now that my primer has had some time to dry, then the first thing I do, and this has not changed, is use my Bobbi Brown corrector. So I'm using Peach. That is my color, and when you choose a corrector, you want the corrector that's as close to your skin color as possible. Don't go for a color that's lighter. If you want that lighter look, you go for a highlighter after everything is all said and done. When you pat it in, I'm not going insane, because what I'm gonna do is go over it with a beauty blender. I've already wet my beauty blender this morning. It needs to be moist, so make sure that your beauty blender is moist. After primer, corrector, is the concealer itself. So the concealer that I've been using lately is this Kat Von D concealer. It is the real deal. Lock-It Concealer Cream, Kat Von D knows what she's doing. I am using Cool M19. Which is weird because I would assume that I'm a warm, but for whatever reason, the Cool was the one that worked best on me. And again, this is a color that is as close to my skin color as possible. I'm not going light here. So now that, again, I've patted it in very gently, but also it's kind of a mess still, so that I can come in again with the beauty blender and then just buff it out. The way that it looks right now, I'm satisfied with. I'm okay with this, putting on the setting powder and being done. Being done. But in case I want a little dimension and again, that lightness under my eyes, that's when you would go in with a lighter color. I have the Marc Jacobs highlighter. This would work too, this little guy. But I'm just gonna show you, again, Kat Von D, just in a lighter color. This is M21 Neutral. And this is lighter than what I would usually wear as a concealer, so I'm using it as a highlighter. And then what I do is, because where I really want the highlight is really just in here. I don't go crazy, I don't go everywhere. And then again, I have to blend it in with my beauty blender. And then as far as concealer goes, I'm done. Now for the magic trick to ensure that your concealer stays on all day without creasing. And this is a little tip I learned from my friend Arshia. You guys probably know her, she's a beauty blogger. She's Indian and beautiful and awesome. She's a Freshie ambassador like me, and that's how we met. She turned me on to the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. We went out to dinner, her concealer looked amazing. And I was like, dude, what concealer do you use? She's like, oh, it's just like Benefit or something. She's like, it's not the concealer, it's the setting powder. And I was like, what setting powder do you use? And she told me this, and then I was like, well, do you bake? Because this is their Easy Bake. And I don't got time for that, I'm not trying to bake. And she's like, no, I don't bake. I just press it in with a beauty blender, which is something I've never done. I always take a brush, put it in powder, and set my concealer. Well, ladies, I've been doing it wrong this whole time. So what you do is you basically dip your beauty blender inside the powder, and I do it up at the tip because that's what I want to get in under my eyes. And then you basically just work it in. And it's a very seamless, flawless finish. But this stuff is gold.
Now, ladies, make sure that you do not do it twice. It will get cakey. Put the right amount on your beauty blender from the first go. Blend it, buff it, make sure it looks seamless and flawless, and be done. If you dip it again and try and set twice, it will get cakey. I've done that before, and I had to, because I didn't put enough on the first time, and so I needed to fill in an area, and I had to take out the whole thing and start over again. It was like a mess. So make sure you only do it once. I'm using the color Pound Cake. I initially got Banana Bread, which is the color just darker than this, and it was too yellow. And so Pound Cake is my perfect color. You can see, you can't see it. It's lighter and has a little bit more of a pink tone, which again, surprising because I have such warm skin. But that's the color that I have, Pound Cake. And they have a ton, the range is incredible. So there you have it. That's my new and improved concealer routine. And one thing I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you my concealer throughout the day. So right now, like I said, it's 8:45 now. I'm gonna show you midday and then at night when I get home, and I'm gonna show you my concealer to prove to you that this is the best concealer routine and that setting powder is everything. All right, guys, I need to finish the rest of my routine really quickly because I need to go. So I'll see you guys later in the office. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
21, alright.
It's not the right age, but thanks anyway. Alright, let me think of a wish I want to make.
I didn't think I was going to come interview somebody right now. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
It says 21, even though he's really 26. All right, guys, it's 2:30. Concealer update. Do you see? No creases, still smooth.
Wow, it's like magic.
I usually have creases by the end of the day, like really intense, all up in my crow's feet, everywhere. I have no creases right now.
Yeah, but I don't mind the creases because it means like you laughed that day, and if you go through a whole day without laughing, that's very sad.
Okay, so anyways, I will come back to you at the end of the day when I come home, and we'll see how they look. What's up, guys? It's 8:30. I almost took off my hijab, and I forgot that I need to show you all. My under eyes have still not creased. This is amazing. You guys see? My concealer has held up. It's crazy. So this is the proof. I'm showing you guys. The proof is right here in the pudding, AKA my under eyes. All right, Ahmed and I, believe it or not, still have an investor call to get onto today at 9 p.m. And we had an investor meeting in person that we were at earlier today. So big job for us. We need to finish this up. And that is the end for this week's vlog. So we'll see you guys next week. Say bye, Ahmed.
Peace.
Bye.